tired eyes, let the restless world pass by. Hear the ocean calling low. It's time to let it go. Oh, feel the island sound, let your heart be found in the rhythm of the sea. Come away with me. Sunset dripping amber light, melting gently into night. Your silhouette so close to mine, feels like fate's design. Guitar chords on the offbeat sway, soft like words we couldn't say. Every breath of salty air says that love is here. Let the city fade to gray, let the palm trees guide our way in this warm and steady groove. There is nothing left to prove. Lanterns glowing on the pier, casting shadows, drawing near. Your laughter, soft and clear, melts away each fear. Steel drums hum a tender line, like a secret, yours and mine. Every wave that touches sand feels like holding hands. If tomorrow pulls us apart, listen to your beating heart in its quiet reggae tone. You are not alone through the storms and through the calm. You're my rhythm, you're my song. Like a vinyl spinning round, love will still be found. Find land of our own, where our sweetest dreams have grown. Underneath the starlit sea, stay right here with me. Zone. We found our home. Softly now the tide runs deep, while the silver moon keeps watch. Still the island drums in tone. This